Hello everyone, my name is Steven. A new round of the Prairie Math League has taken place, and I have volunteers to make video solutions for them. I hope you enjoyed their video.
Hello everyone, I'm Michael. Today I'm here to show you the solution to question 5 of Young Math League round 116 high school round. So let x be in this expression. If x squared can be written in the simplest form of a plus b times square root c, what is a plus b plus c? So we let an be in sigma from k equals 1 to n squared minus 1 of square root of n plus square root k, and bn equals k equals 1 to n squared minus 1 root n minus square root k. And then our goal is to find out what is the value of a sub 10 divided by b sub 10 all squared. So first, we find the difference between each of the term of an and bn. So that'll be this expression over here. How to simplify it is first we squared. So then we have n plus root k minus 2 times root n plus root k and n minus root k, and then plus n minus root k. So the root k's cancel out. We are left with 2n minus 2. Well, this is a plus b times a minus b, so it's difference of squares. N squared minus k. Okay. We can factor out the 2 here. Since we squared it, we must square root it back. So just take the square root back. And you have root 2 times root n minus root n squared minus k. Okay. So if we take the sigma or the sum both sides, so that will be sigma k equals 1 to n squared minus 1 of this expression over here. And since we can break the sigma into 2 sigmas, so that's the left-hand side. Right-hand side would be sigma from k equals 1 to n squared minus 1 root 2 times root n minus root n squared minus k. Okay, so we realize that the left-hand side is simply an minus bn, right? That's our definition. So we'll write an minus bn right-hand side, while the square root 2 can be brought in front. Now we're left with sigma from k equals 1 to n squared minus 1 square root of n minus square root of n squared minus k. Okay. Now we expand the sigma into the proper sums. So it looks something like this. First we start with k equals 1, so we minus 1. And then we go to the last two terms. So if k is equal to n squared minus 2, we'll just have root 2 here. And then the last term would be root n minus root 1. Okay. Now we'll do a little bit of rearranging. So just to bring this term to here. And then basically we're rewriting this, rearranging. So our sum doesn't change. So this sum over here is the same as this sum over here. We just rearrange the terms. But then we can write this in sigma notation as sigma k equals 1 to n squared minus 1 of square root of n minus, instead of n squared minus k, we can replace this with k. And now you realize that this expression is simply bn, as we defined earlier. So this is equal to root 2 times bn. So we have an minus bn is equal to root 2 times bn. So we have an is equal to 1 plus square root 2 times bn. Then we have an minus an over bn is 1 plus root 2. Interestingly, for every n greater than or equal to 1, the sum remains 1 plus root 2. So, well, a sub 10 over b sub 10 is still 1 plus root 2. Finally, let's square it. One plus root 2 squared, and we're just going to expand this. 1 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 equals 3 plus root 2 root 2. So there we go. We have a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is 2. So answer is 7, b. Thank you.